I filmed this first segment in a time lapse, kind of by accident, but it was kind of cool, so I left it in here. Scratching away at that hillside, it kind of looks pretty neat. You can see some progress going on, and we'll keep scratching away. I got another 6 feet to go over right there. I feel pretty good about the material on that hillside. It's nice and tight, and when I get the retaining wall up behind there and put the sheds up against there, and I'm not going to have to worry about that hillside doing anything, or sloughing off or sliding or doing anything. It's solid. I kind of estimated that the bench that I made up there is about 5 foot tall, so there's a lot of dirt in there. It's going to have to come out when it's all said and done, but it's well worth it. Makes that little excavator sit up a little higher where I can reach the top and peel that hillside down like I need to. I keep throwing this dirt over here behind me, and then push it off. I got to make a nice casual ramp. Little dump truck can back up there and get loaded. And I'm going to have to start that here pretty quick because I'm running out of room to put material there. And so I'm going to have to start shuttling dirt over and put it on that berm I'm going to build. These are some videos of the ramp I built. It's going to be pretty good. It's almost like a state highway going up through there to back the dump truck up. If a good truck driver can't back up that ramp, then there's something wrong. From this point, I got about another 4 feet to excavate over to make room for both sheds. So just getting there. Don't have very far to go now.